Hi, welcome to Zoomer Trading. Today we're going to be teaching you some ways to avoid false breakouts. These strategies are not 100% effective, but in theory, they should improve your win rate when utilizing breakouts. The first and most important indicator I utilize on breakouts is volume. Volume confirms the market wants to buy the stock above your breakout. However, if you see low volume on a breakout, it will most likely reverse. Another useful tool in avoiding a false breakout is reading level 2. If you're using Thinkorswim, level 2 can be found here. This is where you can see pending buyers and pending sellers. Pending buyers are known as the bid and pending sellers are known as the ask. For instance, if you're waiting for a stock to break $2.95 to buy calls, you wait for a high volume and bids to reach $2.95 before entering. The final method that I use to avoid false breakouts is buying 15 cents over the breakout level. For example, we have QCOM. Our breakout level for the day was 158. I used the strategy of waiting for 15 cents over before my buy-in. It rejected at 158.08. Using the 15 cents over method prevented me from entering this false breakout. These are all great methods for avoiding a false breakout. But remember, you can still get faked out even when all these are used, so have your stop loss ready. Thanks for watching Zoomer Trading, fast explanations, faster trading.